have to?
Chidima.
Why you there holding me like that now?
Chidima, what's happening? Are you trying to make me an enemy or what?
If you want be enemy, that one like for your pocket now. I dey follow you fight. Now you dey follow yourself the fight now.
Chidima, I do not want to be your enemy. Do you know that I like you so much? As a matter of fact, you lay that any man in his right sense will fall head over heels in love with. You're a sweet girl and I want to be your friend, not your enemy. I like you.
Like when I said this, okay, it thinks that be all those chingum girls. You want to deceive me. Man and woman then they do friend. No, I they ask you. Man and woman then be friend. You don't deform like say you want be small time now you go second room. Unwa pull pants. Unwa open leg. You think so I don't know this style where you they use?
It hasn't gotten to that actually. Okay, let's just say, let's relate like two people that see themselves every day. Nothing serious, I promise.
Okay, I hear you.
Yes.
But that's naive for this your head. You know the thing, say me and you go do anything. No? This place where you there see now, they use padlock, all am. Strong one, and I don't swallow the key.
You swallow the key?
It's not the open, no. Make I just tell you now.
It out. I promise you, it's not my intention to do something like that, okay? But even though if I try to, just ignore me. Don't take it serious.
Okay, you go try. No, you dey talk what's in your mind now. But make I just tell you, make I the one you cause as you dey see me now, I dey fight Chinese. The day where you go try am, say you want break this padlock, now that day you go become my #1 enemy. I dey keep person, no. I dey talk, you dey laugh.
Come
I dey
on.
keep person.
Don't tell me that you're that mean.
Me?
Are you that mean?
You never see me in action. What time me now? You don't dare. I see I'm now. I never even agreed to be friend. You don't dare touch me.
Oh, we're friends.
Small time now you go put hand this side now. Not they touch me and they talk. You still they touch me. I think they do this one.
Hey, this Chidima is drama.
What's happening? What's going on? Idiots! Idiots! Hey. No, must you want what I want? Are you a witch? Are you a witch?
What thing I do you where you there push me like
stay
that?
Stay away from Ekweme.
Make I stay away from Ekweme.
I do not want to see you near him. Now why you there? Now why you there? Hey! No, come now. Hey! Make I do. You think so because I there look you. Go my village, oh. Go my village. Go ask. Now one blow I go give you now you go die here. What did they do you? You die here. I die here. Every time you want follow from there, come here, come meet. Not try am again, no. If not, now this blow me, I go give you. Not try. You dey crest? No, I dey ask you. You dey crest? No, because I dey look you since. I dey look you the last. You just dey do anyhow. I dey kill people. What did they do you? Not they follow me, they play that kind of I dey warn you. Not they play with me like that. Yeah. Hey, oh, no way. Listen, I'm not a local champion. I don't fight. Okay. Okay? I do not fight. But for you to talk back at me, wait for me. You said wait for me.
7-0.
Yeah.
7-0. Chidima, now you come. See,
Yeah,
I just won't give make I throw away my breath for you. Learn to stand up for yourself.
I dey pump.
No, they allow that girl to intimidate you.
I dey vex.
No vex.
Make I blow am.
No blow.
Make una tell me, make I blow am.
No blow.
Make I slap am.
No slap am.
I dey pump.
No pump. Make you dey calm down. Make you dey calm down.
Pour me water. What is this? Mother, hold me. What is the problem? What happened? Fainting. Mother, there is riot going on in my head. There is madness going on in my head. Hey. I told you.
What is it?
I told you to chase this evil girl away from this palace. You refused. Guess what I saw today? I saw Chidima frolicking with Prince Ekweme. Like she did not even have fear of all the people to go to. It's my man. And mother, I told understand. You.
What do you mean by that?
I told you to chase this girl away. That her presence in this palace will keep on jeopardizing my chances of winning here. I told you. You're not listening to me.
Have I not told you several times not to
disturb yourself because of Chidem. She is no match for you at all. Eh? She's not in your class, not in your level. Mumu, Mary Amaka Kinekuokuya.
You see her as Mumu, but this girl knows exactly everything she's doing. She knows what she's doing. You are here calling her Mumu. Who is Mumu? Who is Mumu? Mother, just away. Do something now. Do something now.
Sambiko, just relax.
Do something.
Relax. I still need her salary. I need her money to run our house.
I can be giving you my own money. I don't need my money again. Since it's money that is your problem, take my money, but just away.
Okay,
Because
say I will get a reasonable reason in order to sack her. Huh? Relax.
so this is not enough reason to sack her. What I just told you now. It's not enough reason to sack her. Is that what you're saying?
You are stressing yourself.
Oh God.
Calm down. I must sack her.
Maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone beyond my chosen to bless.
Wow.
Surprise.
What are you doing in my room looking all this way?
Well, let's say I want to officially welcome you. Yeah, you know, we didn't get to introduce ourselves properly the other day, so I get to do it myself, my way, my prince.
You came for us to get along? Wait, is this a setup or something? What's happening? Are you trying to frame me up or something?
Excuse you, frame you up? No, come on. I know you like me and you want me, so I want you too.
On the contrary, I do not like you. I like someone else, and if you can help me get her to say yes to me, I will reward you.
You're kidding. No, you're joking, right?
I'm not joking, Gebwe. You see, I like your sister, Chidinma. I love her. She's a lady that any man in his right senses would fall head over heels in love with. So, I would like you to please talk to her. Get her to say yes to me. I swear to God, I will reward you massively.
Oh my God. Your head is definitely not correct. But crazy.
I guess that's a yes. I hope I can count on you.
I can never allow any of them to take my place on the throne. I am born to become a queen, and I will go to any length to make sure I marry the prince. No one, absolutely no one can stop me.
Composure, you cannot rewrite the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain.
Hello, ladies. Prince Ekweme said he wants his food right now.
It's my turn. I don't understand. I am the one that has been assigned to always serve. Meaning you cannot serve. You're not serious.
It's my turn to serve you. We all have equal rights in this palace.
Blessing, you lie. What are you saying? You have been serving Prince Ekweme. Now it's my turn, so stop it. This turn. Remove your hand. Okay, I will not.
Wait, now since you all are
Come on, leave me alone. Why are you dragging me?
Since you done the turn round here like who they on that deliverance. Shebi na this small push when I push you now. You done the turn like Baba Chia for here. You the point me? No, you the point me. Come make I warn you. Now the last time when me and you go get this talk when I want talk now. As you dey see me now, I dey live my life. Anything when I want do, I go do am. Your mama not the house now, I dey tell you. You see that palace?
Anything when I decide, say now what I go do. Now what if they say make I open leg because I they go church, I they close am, I not go open them. But if I decide to open them, I go open them. If I want thief, I go. You they hear what they tell you? You they hear I they talk to you, you not they answer me.
You are possessed.
Make I they warn you now.
You are possessed.
The next time when I go talk something again, you go kantara, or your mama go there here, you go the sharp mouth for me. I just leave you since so. Not beside, not fit to do you anything why I want to do. Now the last warning why they give you because the next time why you go try me for this compound, I swear, I carry everything. See, here I use and swear. Even everywhere they use and swear, I go kill you that day.
You are showing yourself because my mother is not around. Okay?
Okay.
Around.
If my mother was around, would you have tried this? Okay. And they talk you, they point me. No, I talk you. I talk you.
Composure now, and she know what she's doing. Chichi, baby.
This devil must leave. Leave this house today.
Please, it has not gotten to this. I must look for a way so that we will send her out without raising a dust. Calm down.
Mother, listen to me and listen very attentively.
You are daring me right now. And let me tell you, if this devil, this daughter of a witch, an old witch, does not leave this house, I mean like right now, ready her caskets, dig her grave, and bury her. Because the next time you hear about her, she's dead and gone.
Don't talk like that, Biko. Hey, don't talk like that. I will think of a way to do it. If you chase her out now, what will the Omona say? They will say that we hate her. That was the reason we chased her away. Just allow me, give me some time. I will think of a reasonable thing that we will hold on to and throw her away. And by that time, she will not even go.
What I mean, the thing is that my patient is running out fast. You better think of it faster, else Otapia this case.
You will not kill anyone, but I will think of a way to send this Mumu out of this house and no fear.
Leave! Just leave me! Leave here now! Leave! I said you should leave! Just leave me alone!
They shout now. Now who you there shout for? I just they reach here, you just they shout. Who they follow you? Meanwhile they come from kitchen. You they come from room beside them. I follow you. You need to calm down, no? You see this thing where you there go through now. People there where they go through 100 times. They're not the vexed the way you they vex. Person go smile, you they shout. I go talk, you they shout.
Are you talking back at me?
You said you they talk to me. You know who I be, why you they shout for me like that. See, make I tell you. This thing where you they do, you they hurt everybody where they around you. You need to they calm down, take a chill pill. Why you they shout every time? Just anything where it don't happen to you before, forget them. Sort yourself out. People where they around you, then they feel them. Your papa, they feel them. People where love you, then they feel them. You too, they shout, oh. The thing where carry me come here, make I can't tell you, self. You not let me talk. You just there shout, leave me alone, leave me alone. Ha! I don't know.
She no get fear. Composure now, and she know what she's doing. Chichi, baby, she dey maintain her composure.
A maid told me that she saw the prince crying in the living room. Did anything happen to him?
Oh, my king. That will be as a result of what I told him. Yes, that should be it. My king, I promise, before I leave this palace, Agonia will be a changed person. That I assure you.
Can you tell me exactly what you told him?
My king, that won't be necessary. All I need you to do now is to focus your mind and prepare yourself for the grand wedding, because Agunaya the prince will soon choose one. I'm very certain.
That will be the best thing that will happen to me for a very long time.
Trust me, my king. Agunaya will soon come to you, asking you to follow him to his bride's house. Do not worry.
Maintain composure. You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone the Almighty. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone the Almighty.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, Mrs. Veronica. I hope all is well.
Everything not there well. No. My madam carry me come here now, come do. I beg police work na better work.
What's she talking about?
My friends, please ignore her. I want to assign her to you as your personal maid.
Don't see him.
I don't even understand. You want to assign her to me as my personal maid? I can't remember requesting for maid, talk less of a personal maid. And is that even necessary?
Honestly, my prince, you have to trust me. It is. You see, all the maids in this palace, they are becoming very, very lazy and irresponsible. So I have to make them responsible in order not to fail in their duties.
Mrs. Veronica, sorry, hold on. So of all the maids in this palace, yeah? Of all the maids in this palace, and this is the one you have chosen to assign to me.
Which one is this? Is the one?
Right? This is the one you want to assign to me.
She is good.
Okay. I see what you that right. You the reason me less. You think I not fi guide you, madam? Or ya they go. I said make you there.
You
go.
have to resume now.
I don't.
You know your duty.
I don't start work.
Start work.
They go.
Immediately.
I dare. They test this drink before they give you.
Hey. You just drank my drink?
You see, why you there? I dare protect you.
You're protecting who?
Wait, make I tell you now. This one poison not there. Make I test the one where they bought to.
You must be. Hey, drop my drink. Mrs. Veronica!
Why you there shout now?
Mrs. Veronica, come and take your maid!
Why you there not there shout?
And you all just stop talking already. Just shut up, shush it already. Without me, none of you will be in this palace.
Oh, please, Ugewe. Stop acting like you did us a favor. We paid your mother huge amounts of money to get this job. Right now, she should be ashamed of herself for taking bribe from us to give us this job. Yes.
Blessing, you paid my mother. Like we look hungry to you. My mother begged you to pay her. She didn't force you to give her money. Yeah? Yes, you guys, even if you guys did, you did that willingly. Nobody was forced.
That's a lie, Igome. That's a lie. Yes, and stop parading yourself like you did us a favor. What your mother did was bribing and corruption. Exactly. And they will arrest her for doing that. But anyway, we paid money and so many other things, but that's not my business. Because now I am bigger than all this money. Very soon, my status will be upgraded. And when it does, we just get ready to start serving me as the maid servants that you are.
Which status are you talking about? Listen, you won't even come close. Not even an inch.
Who is talking?
Yes. By the time I am done, you all will become my servants. I promise you.
Do you know it's actually very, very you guys are very funny. Like when all this Mbeke feeling funky, talking about me serving you.
Wait.
You all will remain the servant that you are. Servanthood is your portion. You're not going up from here.
Wait.
There is no going up.
I say wait. What makes you think you're any way better than any of us?
I don't understand.
Oh, please. Isn't it obvious?
Wait.
Really?
You can be saying whatever you want.
What is obvious? Is it because you are fair? Listen, I am prettier than you.
No. You know what is deceiving her? Is the uniform. She feel wearing white and black makes her different. My sister, you're nothing but a maid, and a maid you shall be. And by the time my status changes...
Which stupid status are you talking about?
Excuse me, will come serving me. Hello, maid servant.
By the time I become the queen, You will be my servant. You will be my servant.
She no get fear, composure now wire, and she know what she's doing.
Everybody down! Down now! Down! Everybody down! Take cover! Everybody take cover! We
Wait, what's the meaning of this? What are you doing? What are you doing?
They say I be your bodyguard. Anywhere where you there go now, now there me I there go.
I don't understand. You're my bodyguard. Listen, I'm actually going out, and I can't remember asking you to follow me around.
Not be you ask me. Your papa say anywhere where you there go. Now there me I go there go too.
You mean to say if I take a step, you take a step with me?
You take one, I take two.
I jump, you jump with me?
You jump, I fly over.
I back, woo! You back with me?
I roar like a lion. Roar!
Okay, now I see. This is actually more serious than I thought. Listen, I do not want to. I don't want to lose it. I am just trying to hold myself. Please just quit this whole drama and take yourself back into the house.
I know they go anywhere. I don't tell you. Say anywhere where you they go to. Then I dare me I they go to.
Jesus Christ. This is more serious than I thought.
Take cover, take cover, take cover.
Can you just stop this and get the living out of my sight? Disappear, just go.
I can disappear. Pew! Take cover, take cover. Take cover. Take cover.
Listen. I do not want to see you around me. Just vanish. Disappear from here, please.
You?
If you are no longer comfortable walking in that palace, I will withdraw you ASAP.
I'm tired of this your complaint. Each time we come back from the palace, you will always complain. What is wrong with you? After all, I'm not the one taking the salary. You are still the one making use of it. More than the insults, the disrespect, the absolute sea finish. All these girls has been given to me. All because of Onye, this Satan, this daughter of devil, first wife of Ekwe in Swipe. She has made these girls lose respect for me. I told you as my mother, as the woman in charge, to withdraw her. What did you do? You refused. I refused because I needed the money. We need money to run this house. Where do you want me to get money? I'm using her salary. Then do something about all these insults they are throwing at me at every given point in time. Do something about it. You're my mother. You're the one in charge.
Dikeh, what do you want me to do?
Stop these girls from serving Prince Ekweme. Them going close to him is making my chances of getting him very slim. Stop them! Tell them to stop already.
But you know that what you are asking for is not possible for now.
Mother, you are the woman in charge. These girls you are talking about are under your payroll. You pay them. You call the shots. Make it stop. Make it possible. Make it stop already. I just want it to stop. Make it possible.
Hey, Ukebe, are you sure you're not going crazy? Eh?
Be a blessing.
What is it?
Did they get yourself? No, your steez and your composure. You should say they're complete.
What nonsense question are you talking about?
Which one be nonsense question?
Are you taking this food to Agunnayo or not?
How I want to carry this food as it's small like that? You know they say who that they go serve the food? Man, when they get that kind big chest, it get muscle, get fine beer, come find join on top of her. Now you say make I go serve this kind small. What did they do you?
Chidimma, leave all this talk. Take this food to Agunnaya. You are getting on my nerves.
You get nerve. But they count people where get nerve. You were not complete. They say you got nerve. I know they carry this food, go give up. If you want to serve this kind of small food, carry them by yourself.
I will drop this food here.
You go drop
I'm going to leave this food here.
Try them for here, make I see you now. No, try and make I see you go drop it. You not get respect, though. You not get respect.
I know what to do to you. I know what I will do to you.
What will you do?
Don't worry. I'm going to report you to the king.
Come here.
Chidinma, did you just touch me?
No, I not touch you.
You touched me!
I bath you. You they ask me whether I touch you.
Okay, you want us to fight?
I dare
I
talk
have
you.
been taking nonsense from you in this palace.
You dey point me. Point that your finger again, make I bite you. No, point am again, make I bite him. I dare talk you, dey waka comot. You not get respect, oh. You just send me and you now because you see me here. You know the people why they roll with for outside.
I don't blame you.
Carry that food then go by
I know
yourself.
what to do to you.
Come try am now.
Don't worry.
Sing, nyash.
Chidinma.
You want fight me? Come now. Make I show you shege.
She no get fear. Confusion na wire. And she know what she's doing.
That won't be a problem. Just give me some time.
Chichi baby. She
Ow! Ow! No vex. Na so I dey do. E no dey maintain composure.
Jesus!
No vex.
Jesus!
No vex. No mistake. No vex. Now. Na so e dey do. E no dey maintain composure. No vex. You dey go? No vex. No vex. I said make you no vex now. Hey. Sure. Now which one person mess there smell like wako? What thing be? Jesus. Now wow. Now which kind smell be this? And they even put egg inside. Protein. Make I dey chop.
So
What?
this is your plan all along?
Huh?
So this was actually your plan? You had the temerity to fart beside my food and then you went ahead to eat the same food?
Na mistake, no vex. Na the thing, no dey maintain composure. No vex.
What stupid composure are you talking about?
Na mistake.
Do you understand the royal implication of what you just did?
No, make I tell you wetin. You know say I dey lay egg. Yes, as I dey lay egg. So I say make I chop small food so that I go get strength. Make I lay. They not supposed put one egg for you. They supposed put 2 eggs inside the food. I can't say make I chop, get strength, make I lay another egg join. No vex. Hey!
Jesus! Blood of Moses!
It don't come. It don't come again. It don't come.
and she know what she's doing.
This one, you know the intention.
Chichi baby, she
Make I
maintain her composure.
I know that you wanted more than I can offer. But believe me, my love for you will last forever.
You know what? I love the way you make me feel, the way you look at me, everything. It just makes me not think about any other person, not even Prince Ekweme or any other man right now. All I just want to think about is you.
You have nothing to regret for giving me your heart. I will make sure that you are my queen.
Osino! Jerry, who carry this one? Is this your rap line guy? Very cheap. You, an ordinary palace guard, is here promising her heaven on earth. Queen of Ndebone. No, queen of your own kingdom. It has to be your own kingdom because a hopeless palace guard like you does not have any future. And you are here promising and selling your birthrights. You, fine gear, no levels. No, fine gear, no levels. One would have thought you would have, aimed higher a bit. But look at you. Your aspiration in life ends here.
So what is your business?
I kind of like you, Chatachi. Do you know why? You know your level and you are maintaining it. Unlike the other 2 chakelekes, those local champions that are dragging shoulders with me. You have sense. But I'm ashamed of you.
Oh, please. At least I have somebody. Who do you have? What do you have? Nobody. You all are just there fighting for the prince. And yet,
I am fighting for my class, my levels. But look at you. This is where you have ended your life.
Thank you.
Your aspiration.
Mind you.
You are very low on esteem.
Oh, please.
And guess what? You are a big embarrassment.
At least I have a man. Do you have a man? Do you have a man? Carry yourself and shit.
Shame on you.
Shame on you too.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Free
You know what? You are the best.
What is going on?
Dad, I need to leave. I need to go somewhere to clear my head.
What is going on here?
Dad, I think I need to leave the country. I need to be gone for like 2 or 3 months. When I clear my head, then I'll come back.
Mr. Man, you are not going anywhere.
Dad, you need to stop this. There is nothing you do that will make me change my mind. I am no longer a child. Allow me to make decisions for myself.
But you are my child. An okra tree can never grow past the owner. You know it.
I do not want to raise my voice at you. Just let me go. Allow me to go, please.
Then kill me. What? Then kill me.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Father, I can't stay here anymore. Just leave me, Father. Father, I don't want to do it. Just let me go. Father, leave me alone. I beg you in the name of God, just let me go, please. Just allow me to leave. Please. Why are you doing this? 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 Leave me alone, please. Let me go. Just leave me.
Sorry.
I'm tired, please. Just stop this. I'm tired, please. Now just let me go. I'm always upset, please.
You know, I'm actually willing to make it up to you, even though I'm giving you a second chance. I want to indulge.
You know, there's one thing about me that sparkles me sometimes. I'm a hunter, and I do not like to be hunted.
Well, if you must know, myself, I do not go up chasing men, alright? I don't throw myself cheaply at men. I don't even do that. Men chase me. They hunt for me. Okay? I like you. That is why I'm here.
I want you to dress up properly, okay? It's not only my thing. This is not how I want my food to be served. I like my food to be served in full package so I can unwrap it myself. Not this. Come on.
You are really unbelievable, do you know? Like, I'm trying to get it. What does she have that I don't have? Like, why would you even try to compare me with a riffraff? I mean, with that clown. Like, it's really,
listen.
It's really insulting because this person you are seeing here is educated, classy, and beautiful. So, what are you looking for? I am full package, man. I am.
I know, but she's everything that you are not. Okay, and only if you can help me get her, I will appreciate. Please do it for me. She's the one that I want, the one that my heart beat for. Not you. Stop fussing it.
I won't let you do that again to me. No. No way.
Better.
You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone
Where is she?
chosen to blend.
No, where is that big clown? Akuna, where is she? Where?
What is it? You're just shouting everywhere. Why are you making noise?
No. Where is Chidema?
I want to see her right now. Let me teach her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry.
How dare you? Wait. How dare you say that? You want to lay your filthy hands on Chidema? Try it, why? See, listen. Before you lay your filthy hands on Chidema, you first of all contend with me.
Yes, it's the way you are always charging at me with an ugly, dirty face that only a mother can love. Look at you.
Wait. So you think we watch you maltreat that innocent girl just like that, Abi?
Tell her! What has your stepsister done this time around? What is it?
Can you imagine?
What she has done? All of you are here. Why this clown, this fake idiot, pretender that does the worst, is going about, sneaking around, meandering, frolicking with behind our backs.
It's a lie.
You say what?
It's a lie.
That is impossible. Yes, so Prince Ekweme that I know. Yes.
Prince Ekweme that you know.
Ble. Wait, I want to understand something. You said Prince Ekweme that you know cannot sleep with another woman. Does it mean he's sleeping with Nigerian Actors? Is he sleeping with you?
Like, I meant... Wait. That is not even why I'm here. But why are you lying against Chidima?
Yes, why are you lying?
Why do you always lie against Chidima?
You think I'm lying against her? Okay, to prove you all wrong, go and bring her here. Let her deny it before me.
Really?
Yes. We already know you don't like her. But stop the lies. Just stop it.
I don't like her.
It's very obvious you're lying.
Chidima! Try it. Don't try and lay your finger on her. If you try it, you will not like it. Stop it.
Listen. Ble. I beg, no verse. You know, say you said something. I want to be sure. You said Prince Ekweme cannot sleep with another woman. Does it mean no Nigerian Actors? Are you doing something?
I meant to say that he's responsible.
Hey!
Okay, so I mean responsible. Okay, so
Where is she? Where is that slut? Where is she? I will show her. Where is she? You're asking me who? Don't even try to pretend. Where is Chidima? Where is she? You wish what? No. Wait, Ekweme. Are you cheating on me? No, are you cheating on me? No, don't give me that look. Wait. After everything we shared, after all the promises, the love, everything, you have the mind to be cheating on me. Is that what you're saying? No, is that what you're telling me?
Who's telling you that I'm cheating on you? I hope you have not told this before that we're dating.
Don't give me that look. I haven't said anything to anyone. I have kept to my own part of the game. So why didn't you do yours? Why, Ekweme? Why?
What are you talking about? Just calm down. Who told you that I'm cheating on you? Because I'm not.
Don't even lie. Ugwe told us that you're having an affair with Chidima, and as we speak, that Chidima is in your room. That's why I'm here looking for her. Chidima!
Oh, that shameless cheap slut. Is that what she told you? That girl has been throwing herself at me all this while. She's just angry because she has been trying to do something and I've rejected her. That's why she's angry.
Don't even say that. You're lying.
If you doubt me, ask her to show you my chat, my conversations with her. She's been the one throwing herself at me. I'm not interested in her. You know that. I love you. I will not do anything to hate you or make you feel the same kind of. You know how you feel.
Leave me alone. Are you sure you're saying the truth?
I swear to God, I will not do anything to contradict to what we share. You know what we shared is so passionate. I wouldn't do anything to put you in that situation around you, okay? I didn't cheat on you, okay? Even if there's someone else to cheat on you, no, I don't like her. Okay? I don't like her.
Are you sure you're not cheating on me with that local champion? Because nobody can take you away from me. I am the #1, the champion.
Yes. You know you're so sweet. You sweet of us. Don't mind that girl. She's just so envy and jealous of us. So she's just trying to use something to, maybe take your attention off you. Don't let anybody confuse you.
So you mean Ugewe has been dying to have you?
Baby, she has been trying.
So she's trying to put asunder between us.
It's just like the way they say it's in the Bible, baby. When what God joined together,
No, man, put asunder. Obimu, I'm sorry.
Now hear you there. So I don't catch him. Chakam, 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 chakam. I don't catch you. Why I dare shout? This one why they talk small small. Now you dare say I dare shout. I not see anything. I see anything. I don't come inside room. I dare find Princess Kweme. Princess, you there? You there house? You not there? Oh. I not see anything. I don't dare go. Chidimma. Don't worry, they enjoy that Rebecca. They enjoy. I hear they went. Yes, cool. I go there door so that nobody will come inside again. Climb back. Chidimma. Yes, cool.
This guy is a joy killer.
Cannot rewrite the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Maintain composure.
What in the name of a maiden is going on here? Grace, what are you doing with my man? Ebube, what are you doing with her?
I don't understand. Blessing, what's the meaning of this embarrassment?
I should be asking you.
Don't you have respect, or you've lost your sense of reasoning? How dare you barge into someone's privacy without even knocking, and you're here talking what?
And so? He is my man.
Which man?
Yes, he is my man. Ask him.
Oh, wait. Babe, what is this thing saying? What is she talking about? Are you her man?
You should just stop this nonsense, or rather take it outside. What's the meaning of all these things? Are you guys kids?
You should be
Can't you
asking
just
her
behave
that.
yourself?
No. Ebube, we should take what outside. You are staying. Grace, you know what? Just stand up from this bed. Get up.
Wait. Have you lost your mind?
Have you lost it too?
Have you lost your mind?
Have you lost
you
it?
see,
Have you lost it too?
Ekweme belongs to me.
Belongs to you,
I
my
don't
man.
know what you're talking about. You coming here to say he's your man, you're just wasting your time.
I am wasting my time.
Get out.
Now.
Maintain composure. You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Okay, feeling well, I do. She and I don't know you. Why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you?
So you have the mind.
Everybody knows you are not.
It will not happen.
What is going on?
I know what you're doing.
I know you.
What is it?
Stop. I know who you are. Where are you fighting her? What is the problem? I know who.
You know who I am?
Are you see? Hey! You see what you have caused? Did you see it?
And why did she come and
You
separate us?
slapped her.
Why did she come to what does not belong to her? What was the problem?
Hey!
See.
Look at this. Let me. I want to. Come on, will you? Let me.
For this girl, I called that she called Meta. I suppose
Why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you? Why are you pushing someone who's not pushing back? Is it not your view?
My friendship. My friendship.
Yeah.
Now here you dey.
Now here I there. Now which them? Me and you come be friends.
You be my friendship now. Why they behave like this, Chidinma? See, my friendship, I won't tell you something. You see that thing where you see inside there? You know say you don't see anything.
I see everything, no.
You see what?
I see everything when happened there.
You don't see anything.
I not
you
see
don't get eye.
Okay, I not get eye. Yeah.
See, Chidinma, beg. I dey beg you, You see that thing where you see? Now hustle we dey oh.
Okay, now you know say I see something.
I know say you see. But you know say na hustle we dey. Everybody just dey hustle, make it dey better for them. You know wetin the country dey talk now? I beg you see that thing where you see, you no see anything.
I know they lie, yo.
Beg now, I dey beg you.
No, everything why I see, I dey talk am. Yes, the only thing wey go make me not talk this thing why I see today now. Now say if them they share our food, you go they give me your meat.
I don't understand. Now waiting they bring this leg now. I don't understand. Look at the guards. Look at this Mweke feeling funky. Oh. No. Now because say I bring myself so low to your level, you feel we're on the same page? Hello? News flash. Don't try it.
Okay.
I should give you my meat as what?
You dare shout.
No, I should give you my meat as what?
You
Not
dare shout.
Achalugo.
Me, Mweke feeling funky.
Be funky.
Okay. Make I go take king, waiting I use my 2 eye taxi. Okay, they come, I go take king. Now I say you listen. Why you there call me now?
No, blame me. No, what do you want to do? Chidinma, why they behave like this now? You be my friendship. Why they behave like this?
Me and you not be friend. I say if you not give me your meat, I go talk waiting I see.
You know feel cold something. You know waiting be girls cold. You know they cold. Chidinma. You know say it be my friendship. Why you expect me make I dey chop food? I no go chop meat.
When you there your papa house, you there chop meat.
No, you won't try insult me now.
Not be insult. You there chop meat for your papa house. You come here now, they feel like say you know the chop meat.
Chidinma chiquito. Achalugo. See, no verse. See meat. It's settled. I'll be giving you my meat. But you see that thing where you see for there, you don't see anything.
You go give me your meat.
I will give you.
As you there see me, I don't blind.
I trust you now.
That time when I come inside the room, I know I there see. No, I sat there like this. Now I there see you.
I know they even see you.
You there see me.
I know they see you, my sister.
Where
your eye blind.
Where you there?
Chidinma chiquito.
I know
you. Don't worry, meat is settled. Yeah, don't talk anything.
But next time, not try and call me local girl again. No.
My friendship.
She is fearless. She is bold. She not there fear anybody. She go speak her mind, no matter the situation or the condition. She go voice her more. Anything will won't happen, make it happen. Yeah, oh, Chidinma. She no get fear. Hey, composure now, why? And she know what she's doing. Yeah, Chichi baby, she dey maintain her composure. Ah, yeah.
Sir, what are you trying to do? Sir, please allow me to do my work.
Okay, it's fine. It's not like I'm trying to stop you from doing your work, but you know, I've been observing you for some time now, and I must say that you're the most decent and hardworking maid in this palace.
Well,
I like you, and I feel like if you can give me more time to get to know you, I have something more better for you than scrubbing the house, cleaning the tables, and washing the toilet.
Thank you, but I am not complaining. I love my job.
Oh, come on, don't say that. You might not tell me that you're complaining, but this doesn't suit you. I have something more better for you. All I need you to do is just say yes to me. Okay, say yes to me and everything will be fine. I have the power to make you the next queen of this land.
Really?
Yes. So just accept me and watch me do it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for seeing me worthy to become the queen. But let me tell you something. I do not like you. I mean, I do not find you attractive You understand? So don't come close to me next time. You think I'm like blessing and grace, right?
Anybody, she go speak her mind, no matter the situation or the condition. She go voice her more.
I'm going to not wearing. Witch, you are back. I will kill you today. Today, go and dig your grave. But you don't start, oh. I will bury you. You don't. I beg. I just they come from church. I no one's trouble. Make I pass there, go inside.
Which they go? Which they go church? No, which they go church?
What if they worry?
No, you think I'm joking?
What if they worry you?
Now you watching?
You don't start, Abby.
You see that witch?
You
that
don't
you are
start.
using to bewitch me.
You
To collect every.
You take crest. You take crest. Because I got pity for you.
She no get fear.
Come try and again. Come, you dey come here. You dey come here. You dey come here. The girl outside just dey come from church. I just said, if not, you can see what I dey talk.
Stupid girl. Useless. Worthless. Oh, you want to kill my daughter for me? Because I was not around. Eh. So you are not even happy that I allowed you to go to the palace to contest with the other people? Eh? So bad. After dealing with you today, you will know your place in this house. Come, don't pour me water. Don't dare. See, if you try pour this water on my daughter, you will see what I will do to you. Don't just Mom, this girl is a witch. We need to even disfigure this her face. Because I think this her face is what is making her think she has arrived. Don't bother yourself. Don't worry. After dealing with her today, no man will ever talk to her again in this life. Mom, no man! We need to disfigure this girl's face. She deserves to die. Hey. She's a witch. Yes. You will hear when today. Useless girl. I would have sent you out with your mother. Anuafia. Oh yeah, come. You will lie down now. Put it down. Drop the water. If they drop it on the ground.
Which kind of life I dey live like this? God. Now only me be orphan where dead this life. Why I dey suffer like this? See as my sister them they treat me like say I not be human being. What thing I do, God? But as it dey like this, now I not dey look anybody first again, no. I not go look anybody first. Now to they fight my fights. Now I dare now. Because it don't show say nobody go fight for me. If I not fight for myself, nobody go fight for me. Now you say make I not the quarrel. Now you say make I not the fight. I don't dey try since I dey hold myself. I dey hold myself every day. But they treat me like say I no be human being. If not be mass where I got today, what's in that there to be to Becme? I just say make I put my mind down, make I not fight. See what's in that they do me. I not go look anybody first again, no. I got to fight for myself now. If I say my papa there or my mama there, but their sister like this, I for not there suffer. For not there suffer. Okay, now.
You cannot change the destiny of someone beyond my day. I've chosen to bless. Okay, feeling well or do. She and I chuno yiji. Onyene well onyene kuluya. Okwachukune kuluya no.
Oh, hi, beautiful.
Not that touch me like that, though. Good afternoon.
Oh, come off it. Don't refer to me like that. You know you're one maid in this palace that I so much love. I mean...
You they love me. You sure say now you they love me. I been at that thing where they down there they love me. You why there see a shower for your eye? You there love who? Eh?
Okay, fine. Enough of it. If you want to know how serious that I am, why don't you just say yes to me? Give me a chance. I mean, you see all these girls, all these maidens coming to me. I'm not the one going for them. They want me. It's you that truly do want.
Yeah, fine boy. Not that at the talk you still there touch me.
Can you please go inside?
Okay, my prince.
What did you just do? I was talking to I was still talking to her, and you clearly asked her to leave before me. Why? What's the meaning of this, Naguna?
You see, you don't know that I see you. I see everything you do. You see this very one that I just asked to go inside. Stay far away from Chidinma. It's a request, and I would so much appreciate if you would oblige that from the bottom of your heart.
I see. Aguna, you see, when a child spits in the air, it falls back at him and thereby defiles his face. Aguna, it seems like you're going to be the only problem I'm going to have in this palace. You better be careful with me.
You see, let me tell you something, yeah? You see, any day a deity chooses to be insolent, its worshippers will forever abandon it at the crossroad. I want you to be mindful. The only bet that dares to press on the back of an eagle is the raven. And guess what the eagle does when the raven succeeds in perching on its back? The eagle goes high into the sky. It flies to that level where the raven struggles to breathe. And guess what happens to the raven? On its own, it falls off back to the earth. Do not dare the eagle.
You know that I'm a lion. I'm capable of doing anything.
If you make me prioritize your existence in this palace, it's going to be tough on you. Trust me.
Agunaya, you're not going to do anything. You're just head grabbing. Take it from me.
What is the problem? Madam, you came with a big complaint. You came to report that your useless stepdaughter, Chidinma, to you.
Yes, we have issues and we want you to help us to resolve it.
And what is the issue?
Ma, please, we are no longer comfortable working with Chidinma in this palace. Do something about it.
Oh, what do you mean by that?
Mother, are you the one asking this question? Isn't it obvious? Can't you see? That bastard child of a cursed witch will not allow any of us drink water and drop cup in peace in this palace. Like, she's practically making life unbearable for us. We can't work with her again. She needs to leave.
Yes.
You know, that's not possible. Yes. The king took interest in her the first day he set his eyes on her. He always asks after her. So there is no way I can sack her without the king's permission.
But you can influence the king now. You can influence the king.
It's fine, ma'am. In that case, I think you should take us to the king. Let's go and explain ourselves to him. I believe by the time we are done, the king will have no option but to remove her from this palace because it's no longer conducive for us to work with her.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay,
I suggest we meet him now.
You have your evidence, right?
We have our evidence. Plenty things to talk about.
It's okay. To the king then.
I have heard all the complaints. Honestly, I'm not happy, but I have to deal with this. Chidinma, what do you have to say about all the complaints they gave about you?
Thank you, my king. But I won't ask one question.
Go ahead and ask.
I beg, my king. Now bad things they make person that different from other people.
Not at all.
Thank you. E bad say if I see truth, I go the talk am, I not the lie.
Very good. Very, very good.
Don't talk and finish. You, Greshi, now you are the talk to, not the turn neck like say no, you're not there here. So you follow the talk side they do bad thing, Abi? No, you follow them they talk, Abi? I they talk to you.
Na me they talk to.
No, I they talk to your mama when in that village. I they ask you. You follow their talk?
I beg no verse, I don't know say na me they talk to. My king, I dey very sorry. Chidinma here na good girl. She no get wahala o.
You don't hear am?
She dey talk to you anytime you touch her, she don't talk to you. Na then they find her trouble o. I no go feel like. Na better girl be this.
Grace, are you the one saying this?
Mommy, which one you they ask him? Which one you they ask him whether na in the talk? You don't hear him? Thank God though, you don't see him? Breeze don't blow. Our Nash door open.
You're a very good girl.
You don't see him?
Good girl.
What's the meaning of this? You're a betrayer.
Hey! What was the meaning of what you just displayed in there?
I'm asking you.
How can you betray us after all we discussed? Yes! I don't understand. See, listen, let me warn you for the very last time. Don't you ever try to lay your filthy hands on me. If you try it again, I will deal with you. And as for you, Ugowe, what you saw me doing there, I am doing the work of God. That is exactly what I'm doing. And I'm a Kwezoku. I do not lie. Like Chidinma said, what exactly has she done wrong to you two? Can you join me? She asked you, is it a crime for someone to be different? I ask you too. Or your job.
Look at how you are barking like a mad dog, spitting all over my body. Like, are you mad? You're very stupid.
It is you that is stupid.
I tell you something. You've made yourself my number one enemy. And so shall it be henceforth.
Okay, wait. Whatever you're saying, that's your business. You see this thing that you're trying to do, my dear?
Grace,
I am not scared of you.
Look here, Grace.
I can't believe that this senseless. It's you that is senseless.
You waited for us to get to the thing before saying this. Making us look like a fools.
Oh, let me make it clear to you. My sister! Boy, you're like... You have to understand me. You don't want to understand me. You can wait. When the hell are you? How dare you?
The complaints are getting too much. And it's time I do something about it.
Better, Mom. Better. Because some local champion is beginning to make this palace difficult for others.
Okay, now. They play.
Chidinma. You all should stop this nonsense. Better coordinate yourselves. Chidinma.
Ma?
From today, you'll be the only one to serve ebube.
It don't happen.
Mom!
With due respect, ma. Oh, wait, ma. Why would you ask Chidinma to serve Ekweme alone? We all have equal right in this palace to serve Ekweme.
Yes! This does not make any sense at all. You're not taking it.
Will you all shut up? Shut it!
They say make una shut up.
Who be them say?
I have already made up my mind. I'm not going back. Did she just walk out on me?
Make I go follow.
Change the destiny of someone beyond my day. I've chosen to bless.
Mother, no, what was the meaning of that? No, what were you trying to do? You have now decided to become a weapon fashioned against your own daughter. Why are you fighting me?
Okay, Malichanwam, relax. I have a reason for doing what I just did.
What stupid reason? Sorry for using stupid, but it's stupid, man. It's stupid. I don't understand you again, mother. Oh, do you realize what you just did? I mean, you just practically joined these two people as husband and wife. I mean, man and woman.
Don't you trust your mother again? Don't you trust me?
Mother, this one is beyond trust, you know. I need you to start explaining to me so I will, like I'm a baby, so I will understand it like somebody that is learning ABC. Explain.
Okay.
Explain
Let me explain. I want to set Chidinma up where the king is. I want the king to hate her so that I can then send her out of our lives for goodness sake. Eh?
It doesn't make sense. Because you just did, do you know what you just did?
No, I just said relax. Take a chill pill.
I just told this useless people now.
No, none of them is around. Why don't you test the food? You like it. Test.
It's what I'm hungry.
So you actually want to eat?
I will not eat and be alive before they will. You want me to die before they collect this?
You will never change. Oh, I got it.
I will not look over. I think, hey, I single. If not be smarting now, not be me and Beyonce supposed to their stage. They sing. They just waste my talent like that. Hey, well, make I go and test it. In fact, I rap, I go rap. Hey, well, see me safe, yeah. Now you they chop granite, they throw where I'm for grand like this. Now they suffer me, oh. Hey, God, I don't tire. No, what? Why you there do like this? What? Why you there touch my waist? Eh? I there ask you why you there touch my waist now?
Chidinma, you know that I like you. Just allow me to touch you. I want to liberate you, okay? You know I'm going to be the next king of this kingdom. So it won't be bad if I make you my queen. Yes, not that kind of thing. So allow me. I like you.
Okay, at the top you still there, you come close.
Let's do something.
But at the top you still there. You say you're not even sabi romance. You're not. Or you people when they want now small them they take up. Your own you just they lush there. Calm down.
Should I sit?
No. Stand up. Stand up. Why you there? You want fall in love with them, sit down. Who they fall in love, they sit down. Calm down.
Sorry.
You want do, Abi? No, never they touch. Never they touch. You want do. You want enter. Okay, there come. You say you wipe that see like this. You not say you not the maintain things and composure. Now so you just there, stand here, they make this your organ when you there here. They fool himself. See I'm not big man stand in the beg make he enter. Oh, you want enter? Make the only people when they enter here. Now all those people when they buy me plane, they feel buy me airport, or they buy me where they park ship. You want enter? No, see. If you touch me now, I go took this. It don't hit you. When I said there, you're there, you're not gonna hear me. Maintain composure. You're not gonna hear me. It don't hit you now. Try and make you touch me again. You want? So if I leave, you go. You know who they enter here? Now president, to people where they buy me airport, they buy me railway station. Now those kind of people they enter here. See, I seen them. This place where you gold. They're shining anyhow. Now you want to carry that your black thing, put for inside. It's not gonna work.
You know what? Just stop cleaning.
Okay, make I not clean again.
Just leave.
I don't even tired before. Thank God say you say make I then go.
Pick this one, get out.
You think I gonna leave him? I'm not gonna leave him. I don't go. Since you they show all your vein for your head they show.
Come on, nonsense is this?
She no get fear.
Can you just imagine?
And she know what she's doing. Chichi baby, she dey maintain her composure.
Oh. Hi.
Hello, man.
You are Ogogbe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Veronica?
That's correct.
Oh, I see. Well, I just want to say you're very beautiful and you're also hardworking.
Thank you so much for the compliment and thank you for acknowledging my hard work.
It's okay. Well, if you don't mind, I think I would love to talk with you. Maybe not now, maybe later, whenever it's more convenient for you.
That won't be possible. As you can see, I'm very busy, always busy. And my mother wouldn't want to see me doing something that is not my work.
Interesting. It's okay. My apologies. I'm sorry if I was pushing too hard on this.
Why would you turn him down? You should have listened to him and hear what he has to tell you.
Mother, I just don't want anything that will spoil my beautiful relationship with Becme. That's why. So I'm being very, very careful.
My daughter, you should learn not to put all your eggs in one basket.
What do you mean by that?
Use your brain. Make use of your sense. He should be smart enough to date the two princes. You never can tell who among them will emerge being the king.
Wow. Mother. Oh my God, you are so smart. You know, I never thought about it for once.
I told you to always believe and trust me.
You cannot rewrite the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless. Hey, maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone beyond my team. I've chosen to bless.
I'm sorry. I'm just here to apologize for the way I behaved the last time, and I'm here to make it up to you.
I don't understand. What do you mean by you want to make it up to me?
Well, if you would permit me, because I know you like me and I like you too. I'm ready to give you whatever you want.
So, you were saying that you are willing to do whatever I want?
Of course, my prince.
And even if it's to have a taste of you.
Who wouldn't though? Listen, I'm a beautiful girl. Of course, everybody would want to have a taste of this beautiful body.
Can you tilt around? I mean, can you just spin and see?
Without pleasure, my prince.
I think it would be nice you permit me to call you when I need you.
Oh.
Is that fine?
Beautiful. My prince. Okay. Sorry.
And she failed. I will never have anything to do with a woman that lacks self-worth. But then let me ask you this question, Okay. Are you saying that if I ask you to do anything, that you would willingly do it?
Of course! My prince, do you have to ask me twice? You don't need to ask me twice. Why won't I do it? You are the next king of this great kingdom. The prince of this great kingdom. Why won't I? Of course, my prince, look at you. Lenu woke. Woke bugodi soma. Woke bugodi mburimbu mwa. Biakan ya chagi, my prince. Why won't I? Eh? You're so handsome. Ha, my prince, I hardly sleep at night, all because of you. Why not? Please don't ask me again before I'll start crying.
Now, I am actually tempted to ask you a question. Have you come across a sentence, or rather a word, anything like self-worth before?
It's again. Self-gain. My prince, who is talking about self-worth? He gave Bugodozo and weary for before he began to self-worth. Yes, my prince. Look at you. My prince, let me tell you. Any woman that is talking about self-worth is because that man does not have money. Ijiro shishe. But look at you, you have money. Your father is the king of this great kingdom. And you, the next king. Why will I be bothered when I know I am safe with you? My prince. Oh my prince. I just wanted to ask, when would you want me to come? You know, let me grace your room. Can your chage? Let me lick you, my prince.
Okay, that's a question asked. When would I want you to come around to grace my bed?
Yes.
Okay, let me put one or two things together. I'll get back to you. I'll probably let you know when I want you to come around.
No, my prince, you can't say that. Put what together? Look at now, my prince Leno. See, my prince, you don't have to think before telling me to come and see you. Let's go right away.
But you know, the thing is, I love to take my time when I do things, and give it to this. I would like to get back to you concerning it.
Okay, no problem, eh? See, my prince, I don't want you to keep me waiting, no. Don't keep me waiting, because I'll be waiting for you, my prince. Meggy, Meggy. Hey! Jesus, Meggy. I am telling you the truth, my prince. Please, I'll be waiting for you. Please, don't keep me waiting, my prince. Oh, I'm waiting, my prince.
Maintain composure. You cannot change the destiny of someone beyond maintain. Chosen to bless. Okay, feeling well or do. Chia na chuno yiji. Onye ne mwelo onye ne kulu ya. Okwachuku ne kulu ya no no no. Hey, why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you? So why are you pushing someone who's not pushing back? Hey, why are you fighting someone who's not fighting you? Why are you pushing someone who's not pushing back? Is it not your view? Is it not your fault?
Yusuf, hi.
You know, you're beautiful.
Huh?
You heard?
No vex, I beg. I not hear that thing when you talk now. What thing you talk?
I just said that you are beautiful.
No vex. I beg. Make I just blush. You know, say when the peg girl say you fine, he go blush. So make you just give me 1 minute. Make I.
It's fine. Just go ahead and take your time.
Hey, go. Hey, you won't make me then lose my steez, though.
You know, you're a dramatic person, and I would appreciate if you can actually stop that and be serious. Right?
Okay, make you not vex. It just be say I not they get to myself until they talk this thing now.
I like you.
Hey, see they talk am. Hey, God, I beg God. Now me then they tell this thing. You mean say you like me? Hey, and they talk you they come closer.
I like you.
Hey, you still they come.
Okay, you know what?
Hey, not touch me, oh. Never touch you.
Okay, fine. Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, I don't come.
Can you breathe in? Breathe out.
I don't already breathe out before you say make I breathe.
Okay.
Hey, God.
You see, I understand.
My God, you they come I the vibrator. I the vibrator. Hey God, no.
Okay, it's fine. Sorry.
Hey.
Do you want to take some time to blush? Maybe I'll wait for you when you're done blushing.
Make I blush
You
again.
can blush. Go ahead. Go for it.
Can't see what you there do, man. Hey God. Okay.
I call you both here to tell you that I will never be alive and watch the throne of my father move to another family.
May God be its father. That will never happen.
I am willing to go out of my way to make sure that this throne is retained in this family.
Father, what do you mean by you're willing to go out of your way to retain the throne?
Any of you that get married first shall be crowned the king.
That is a fantastic idea, Father. I mean, we cannot allow this throne to move to another family. No, now.
Finally, we will choose the next king of this kingdom.
What is one talking about? Chukwudi, go back to your post. Leave gossip for women. Every time.
A blessing. What happened? Hold on, wait. I want to hear what he has to say. Chukwudi, please go on. Tell us what you want to tell us. We're listening.
Well, I overheard the king telling Agun Naya and the Kueme that any of them that gets married first will become the crown king.
Eh?
Yes.
Wait.
Yeah. Agunaya. Agunaya wants to be king. I thought he said he doesn't want to be king.
Then don't they ask so that they go open leg. Why you go no now they don't pull pants.
Chineke kpogo ku.
Ya kpogo ku.
Igwe ezigbo ti jokes.
Ya kpogo ku.
Oh, please allow him to
talk.
talk.
Wait, please.
The next time you interrupt me in this house, now you go first carry belly as I dey see you. Now you go first.
You don't already carry belly.
It's okay. Listen what you have to say. Can we hear you talk? Can we hear him talk? Please, let's hear. Chukwudi, please go on. Tell us. We're listening. Tell us what you want to hear. You be sure.
Well, I said what I said. Perhaps he changed his mind.
No, we'll not change his mind though.
Change his mind.
Change which mind?
I'm going to be
Not changing any mind.
Say you they confuse me for so. I not be prince so. Nah, because he come there be like say prince don't wear gown, you don't see him as another. I be prince don't bleach. I know that I say make I ask.
Please, listen. My conscience has been disturbing me since because of so many wrongs that I've done to you. And I'm here to right them. Yes, I want to be at peace with my sister.
You sure say you want peace?
Serious peace. So why are we even fighting? Is it not because of praise? Eh? And I have praise equipment to myself. I don't have to be fighting with you, my sister.
Una don't seal am. Hey! Congratulations, sir. You be sharpshooter. You be. I know now. But give me the
Let me tell you something.
Eh?
I realize that there is no better cheap price made for me than you.
So
I need you to shut it down for me.
now me go they follow you for back that
With
day.
your serene.
Now me go they follow you. Your wedding na shut down.
I know.
Just wait that day.
Achalunga.
You go see drama. You go run.
Achalunga. You gon' finish me with drama.
Eh?
Blood is thicker than water.